here is how we can turn off the screen resize on the iPad. If it's your first time on a Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important in the future. So you probably know that the apps that we use on our iPads can be resized into these like windows, right? So you can see I have a multitasking mode where I can literally make the app look like this, right? And it's just very easy to resize it. You can also click on the full screen mode and so on, but still, even if you are in the full screen, there is always the handle in the bottom right corner which always lets you resize it. And if you want to turn off this feature altogether, you can find it when you go to the main settings app like this, and a part of the left panel we can see multitasking and gestures, and that's the thing which decides if the whole resize feature is actually available, because there are three modes. The one which I have currently selected is called windowed apps, and it's pretty self-explanatory. It's just what it does. You can put apps into different sizes and windows and use multiple of them at once. There is also Stage Manager, which is slightly different because we have like the left panel there. And yeah, but if you want to stop the apps from being resizable, just click on the full screen apps. And right now, no matter where you go, you can see we don't have the handle in the bottom right corner, and all apps are in the full screen mode, right? No multitasking option is present or anything like that. Of course, you can always switch it back to that mode if you wanted to. So yeah, you have the option to always come back, but at the end of the day, that's the option that you are probably looking for. So I hope it helps. If you have some more questions or thoughts about this, let me know below. I'm gonna wrap it up right now, and I'll see you in the future videos.